Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to take a minute, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this, right? So today I'm gonna tell you what are the brushes you need when you are starting as a beginner. So let's quickly get into the video. So let's start with a foundation brush, right? So this is what I'm gonna show you. This is the PAC 265 brush. You can see this is how it looks. This is how the bristles are. You can see it's a flat top kabuki brush kind of, and this brush blends in your foundation pretty well. The cost is 565 I think, and or 465 kuch aisa hai. I'll just link everything down in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box. So this is how the brush looks. It is really nice. It doesn't leave any streaks like the brush tricks. It blends your foundation like butter, so you don't need anything else rather than this brush to blend your foundation in or even your concealer. So this is really, I told you that this is the one which is the costliest one, and you can also use this as your contour brush, like cream contour brush. If you are cream contouring, then you can aram se blend it with this brush. This is so soft, as you can see. It's not harsh on your face, and it will blend your contour like anything else, like a concealer brush. So this is a concealer brush I'm gonna show you. This is from the brand called Nykaa, and this is how the bristles are. I'm really sorry, all of my brushes are dirty because I haven't washed them, so please. This is how the bristles are. These bristles are really soft. It's not harsh on your face. Again, it blends in your concealer properly, like really nicely. And again, this is a really multi-purpose brush because इससे आप अपना highlighter लगा सकते हो. No brush set is complete without a powder brush, right? So here we come to a powder brush like this. It's a very big fluffy powder brush. This is from Miniso. I got it from Miniso, and you can see this is how the bristles are. Really soft, and it's dirty too. It's a really nice like you can put brush off your loose powder if you're baking, then you can brush off your powder with this. You can also put blush with this. पूरा आपका cheeks cover कर देता है, and it looks really nice. It works really well as well. It's a very big fluffy powder brush, so you can powder your whole face with this brush also. So again, this comes as a multi-purpose, like, and this is really cheap. This was for 250 rupees. So a big fluffy brush like this for 250 rupees is really nice. It hasn't shade also, like what goes with cheap brushes are the bristles, they always shade. I have washed this brush numerous times, because if you want a powder brush, I think you should get this one. When it is the time of eye makeup, I would really consider you to buy only these 3 products. These are the only 3 products you need for your eye makeup. So I'll just go one by one. The first brush is again from Miniso. You can see this is how it looks. It is a really nice brush. It's a tapered brush. You can see what good is this, that you can this is a very big fluffy blending brush, and at the same time it's really tapered, so you can blend your eyeshadow with this. And if you want to concentrate your eyeshadow on the inner corner or your outer corner, you can also do with this brush, because you just have to dip in and you just have to place your product there, and it's done. You don't have to do anything else with this. So this is a really nice multi-purpose brush. I really like this, and to be truthful, this is my first blending brush and I really like it. Then ये एक set में आता है, मुझे पता है. तो let me show you this. This is angle brush. This is how it looks. Let me just show you. This is how it looks. Okay, so this brush is really nice if you want to put a eyeliner, or you want to do your brows, or you want to go in your lower lash line. It is really good for that. So ये 2 ब्रश से आपका आई मेकअप पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. And it is really affordable. This too you can get it for 250 rupees from Miniso. Agar now Miniso, I think so it's available on Amazon and Flipkart and everywhere. So if I find a link, don't worry, I'll just put it down below so that you can go and check it out. So we were talking about this is an extra brush. This is the Wet n Wild brush, which is like a very dense kind of brush, you can see here. So this is an application eyeshadow brush. So इससे क्या होता है, you can cut your crease, you can place your glitter eyeshadow, just tap in and you can place it. And this is really nice if you want to cut your crease. This is really stiff and this is really stiff. So आप इसको बहुत precisely like you can cut your crease and do it. I don't think this is a very important brush for beginners, because beginners don't do cut creases. Or if you are a beginner to cut crease and you want to try different products, so this is what I'm gonna recommend it to you guys. This was really cheap too. This was like below 200, and yeah, it's win-win and it works really nice. Get that in Amazon and everywhere. तो वो कुछ एक छोटा सा डिब्बा में आता है. I have got it like बहुत पहले, like 3-4 साल पहले. So I don't have that with me now, but this is one of the brush that I use a lot. I have watched it multiple times and you can see it works so well. This is how it looks. The bristles are really soft, and I use this as my blush, I use this as my contour, I use this to bronze my face. I even use this brush as my highlighter. The set is for 300 rupees. उसमें काफ़ी अच्छा आई मेकअप ब्रशेस आता है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट दैट सेट. आपका 300 रुपीज़ में सब कुछ हो जाएगा. बट आई डोंट थिंक यू गेट अ फाउंडेशन ब्रश इन दैट. फाउंडेशन ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश नहीं मिलता आपको सिर्फ पाउडर ब्रशेस मिलता है एंड यू गेट eye brushes. So keep that in mind. I just wanted to let you know about that. If you're gonna buy it, you should know exactly what comes inside it. And the one more extra brush that I want to include here is a spoolie. Okay, this is how it looks. So spoolie is a stuff which is really needed in your life. Like if you just want to, it is really helpful if you want to brush your eyebrows and you don't have a spoolie in your eyebrow product and you need an extra spoolie. So this is the product you can use this and just rub it into your lashes. It will separate your lashes and it will look really nice if your lashes are clumped up due to mascara. So guys, this was my recommendation, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are really interested to see me again, then please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my other social medias, like on my Instagram, Twitter. I'll just link everything down below, and I'm really active on my Instagram account, so you should definitely go and give me a follow there. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.